regresé con otro video. Es tu favorita, Morenita, y regresé con un nuevo video. For today's video, your girl partnered up with Revlon to bring to you this doable, stopping in your tracks eye look that if I can do it, so can you. I love to bring to you guys maquillaje and eye looks that are so wearable, so easy to look, but they look kind of like, ooh, excuse me, you did the most. If you guys are excited to get into this bold eye, wearable, easy, okay? Let's emphasize on fácil eye look. Don't go anywhere. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, y vamos a comenzar. Okay, we're gonna do a full video, okay? Because like, why wouldn't we? First things first, let's hop in and use the Revlon Brightening Skin Tone Evening Makeup Primer. Like, if you want a gripping primer, este aquí is one of my favorites. Time for that full. Let's go in with the Revlon ColorStay in the shade 600. We're just gonna go here. This is also a Revlon buffing brush, and I'm just gonna go in and just pack it all in. I have a bang today, so I'm trying to. Look at how gorgeous the skin just looks like skin. Woo. Okay, we're just gonna go in with another layer. Make sure that the base is even. This base is so good. Like, it just evens out my skin tone. Super duper lightweight. And it dries like so nice. I'm gonna carve out my face with the Revlon ColorStay Concealer. And this is in the shade Café. Ooh. Okay, so we're just gonna go here. Here. All right, I'm just gonna blend this out. Woo! I'm gonna go in with the Revlon ColorStay Brow Creator. And I'm gonna take this shade, dark brown. And we're just gonna. I'm gonna clean these brows and be right back. Okay, for my eyes, I'm gonna go in with these new babies. Next, to prime my eyes, since I don't have a primer, I'm gonna go in with the Revlon So Fierce Chrome Ink, and this is the ultraviolet shade. Let's just get into this swatch real quick. Look at that. So I'm thinking if I dry it on my lid and then use these, I'm gonna go in and top it with the Revlon So Fierce Prismatic palette, and this is the Big Bang 966 shade. Look at that. Woo! Okay, let me just see. I'm just gonna swatch this shade right here. Let's go in with this shade first. Look at that. Look how gorgeous! Okay, I'm gonna take this shade. Look at that. I'm not the best swatch. Ooh, okay, next. This one looks so gorgeous that I just had to. Look at that. And then, last but not least, este aquí. Look at that. Are those not gorgeous or what? I'm gonna take this liner and I'm gonna put it all over my eye. Oh my gosh, that is gorgeous. So I'm letting that dry. And you saw how easy that was? Like, stop. What I love about this formula is that any other shade I put on top of this, it's going to grip it like its life depends on it. So I'm letting it kind of like stick a little. All right, so it went ahead and dried. Yes, exactly what I wanted. Perfect. Boom! Let's go in with Le Big Bang. I'm gonna take this color right here. Ooh! And we're gonna pack that baby on. Okay, let's just go in. What I love about the Revlon So Fierce Prismatic eyeshadows is that it's an ultra creamy prismatic color and it has like a polished crystal finish with a high level pearl. It's gorgeous, like it's like the perfect combination. All right, let's do it to the other eye. For my eyes, I'm actually not going in with any lashes. I'm gonna go in with the Revlon So Fierce Big Bad Lash. Woo! Look at that baby right there. This is a double-sided brush, so it's gonna add volume and it's gonna fan out your lashes. Ooh, should we add some to our bottom lashes? So we're gonna add a little bit more brightening. I'm gonna go in with some more Revlon ColorStay, and this is in the shade Nutmeg, and I'm gonna go right here because I need a little bit more. And I'm just gonna clean up under my eye. And I'm just gonna blend that out. So y'all know your girl loves to contour, but today, instead of using a contour shade, I'm gonna go in with the Revlon foundation. This is the ColorStay in shade Mahogany. Oh, she's so rich. All right, and I'm just going to warm up my face. And this is a Revlon foundation brush, and I'm just going to, she's slightly warmer. To set under my eyes, I'm gonna go in with the Revlon Blurring Photo Ready Powder. And I'm just going to go right here. I'm gonna go in with this gorgeous coral color for blush. And this is the Kiss Me Coral. This is the Revlon, this is a new shade, 022, the Kiss Me Coral Powder Blush. You guys, I think I should also put some mascara at the bottom too. It's like a really creamy formula, and it just elongates and adds so much drama to my lashes. I don't even have that much lashes, and I feel like the look looks good without lashes. For my lips, I'm gonna go in with this gorgeous, this is Bare Affair. It's one of my favorite nudes by Revlon. And I'm just gonna go in right here. Oh my gosh, I wanna use, to top it off with the Super Lustrous. I might have used this a couple times, so that's why I don't look as clear, but she's so good. This is the Revlon Super Lustrous The Gloss, and it's in crystal clear. She was clear, but when you use clear on like other lip colors, like stuff happens. So let's just top it. I'm gonna go in with the Revlon Skin Lights, and this is in the shade Twilight Gleam 202. And I'm just gonna put some right here. So I'm just going back in with Le Big Bang, and I'm just gonna kind of apply a little bit to the bottom of my lashes. You know what I also wanna try? I don't know if it's too late. I wanna see how much more intense we can go if I wet this. I'm gonna wet my finger, and I'm just gonna see. Oh, hold on, let me see. I'm just gonna I wet my finger, and I'm just gonna see. Ooh. It gives me like a pink iridescent. Oh, you guys, you gotta wet it. Okay, hold on. Now I'm like, this is what happens when you have too much fun with makeup. Wow. This combination on the eyes is everything. More blush. Terminamos, you guys. This is absolutely gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Like if you wanted to do the most, you can even add some like falsies to the bottom lashes or just add some lashes. But the mascara with this bold eye, I went ahead and wet the product just to see what other, why not play with her a little bit? I see a little bit more of the iridescence of the pink. When it's just dry and matte, it's just like, it just enhances the liner that I have under. But this is pretty. Be sure to wear this responsibly, okay? I don't want no problems, because this right here is money, okay? This eye look right here is absolutely stunning, and it was easy. I told ya. Like, if I could do it, so can you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure you give it a big thumbs up and like, comment, and subscribe. Los veo en el próximo video. Adiós.